What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial will guide you through the process of streaming Netflix on Discord, allowing you to enjoy your favorite shows and movies with friends in real time. Whether you're hosting a movie night or just want to share a binge-watching session, follow the steps to set up your stream effectively. Before we do this, make sure that you are on a server because it will not work if you are not on a server. Make sure that you have your Discord app on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. First, open any web browser where your Netflix logs in. For example, Google, Firefox, or any browsers you use to stream your Netflix. And make sure that your Netflix logs in using the browser you want to use for streaming. Next, go back to Discord. In the Discord app, click Settings, which is located at the bottom left of the screen beside the headset icon. While in the Settings tab, scroll down until you find the Registered Games tab in the Activity Settings section and click it. In this Registered Games tab, click the Add It button. Now choose the browser you use with a Netflix site and click it, as you can see in the video. After you choose, click Add Game. Now the browser is added to Registered Games. All you have to do is click this icon called Toggle Overlay to stream Netflix. Now just click the close icon, which below it is ESC or Exit. Now click the stream icon located at the bottom left of the screen. Now just choose the lobby or gaming and it's up to you. After you choose, click Go Live. And as you can see, you can now start streaming Netflix using Discord. By following the steps, you can easily stream Netflix on Discord and enjoy watching together with friends. Make sure to check your audio and video settings for the best streaming experience. Now gather your friends, pick a show, and start streaming. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.